Hello everybody, my name is Hunter Locke and this is my Tableau project. Starting off with the first tab we have here is our data source. This is all the stock data we pulled to perform our project. Next we have our first sheet, and this is the linear regression sheet. Then we have the average close price in the red. Then we also have a trend line going right down the middle. And this is for the stock Facebook. Next sheet we have our stock timeline. And this is the average close per day in the green, and then in the yellow we have our estimate. Moving on to the next sheet, we have our mean close for the stock Facebook, and then we have our standard deviation for the stock Facebook too. Lastly, we have our dashboard, and this is a combination of all the sheets into one. It's also interactive, so you can select different stocks and it changes depending on the stock you click. We have the linear regression, stock timeline, mean close, and the standard deviation close. Well, that's pretty much it, and thank you guys for watching.